bluffing now. Let's keep it 1,000, man, you niggas living a lie. Middleman trying to play the plug, ain't making no profit. I'm calling your bluff, nigga, stop it. Hey man, I'm gonna tell y'all boys, man, go and get that fucking bag, bruh. I'm in it right now, bruh. This shit say airbag, but I'm only talking about a straight bag. Oh!
20 minutes later.
Hey, my friend.
Oh no.
Got the little chip in your windshield.
Yeah.
And you got that brush that comes down and goes across it.
Yeah.
So when that brush comes down and hits this windshield, it's going to make that crack a little bit bigger.
Yeah, no, I ain't doing that.
Always have a hand wash.
Yeah.
That way it don't get scratched up. Don't lose your polish.
Thank you, man. It looks real.
All right?
Yeah, it looks really good, bro. Oh, I like this. All right, good job, man. I appreciate y'all.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it. All right, man.
Bring it back, but don't bring it back clean. You don't want to bring it back dirty.
All right, y'all.
Your dirt is our well.
Right.
I mean,
Have a good one, man. Oh, shit. That's some money socks. Had to throw these on. You know what I'm saying? It's only right. It's only right. You in the Lambo. You get the money socks. What it do, gang? You already know I am in a Lambo. Oh! Look, man, I've been enjoying my time out here in West Virginia. So far, so good. I cannot complain. I'm in a Lamborghini. Get some good lighting over here. So, I'm actually leaving Huntington right now. I'm about to head to Charleston, but first I'm gonna make a stop at the casino. You see him looking, look at him. It's crazy, man. This car brings so much attention and shit, I love it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some driving footage of me driving from Huntington to Charleston. I'm gonna start doing my vlogs for you guys so that way you can see or get the experience that I'm experiencing with this beautiful car, man. Y'all stay tuned, man.
I wanna spatty niggas. I wanna spatty bitches. I cannot spare a second. I cannot spare a minute. All I wanna get is money for my motherfucking time. All I wanna get is money for my motherfucking time. Whoa. I wanna spatty niggas. I wanna spatty bitches. I cannot spare a second. I cannot spare a minute. All I wanna get is money for my motherfucking time. All I wanna get is money for my motherfucking time. Whoa. I just want the paper. I just want the money. I want all the cream like fat bitches' stomachs. I'm hungry like princess. My time is precious. I'm feeding in hundreds. The blues, the greens, the 50s, the 20s, I stack it like Tetris. No Pokeball, I'm catching them all, I'm bossing the checks. You try to take mine, and I'ma have your fam peeling some onions. Like they having the cookout, I'm rubbing the clean in the bank when they coming. Deep in the pussy, she told me she love me, I told the bitch cool. Then I made her turn it over, now the bitch I'm shocked in the food. I'm smoking, I'm choking, she rolling like Tina Turner on the river. I pull up, treat her like my baby, then I dip, babysitter. I can't waste a second, I can't waste a minute, man, I gotta get it. It's fuck all they niggas and fuck all they bitches.
How look?
Handsome.
Oh!
Young, handsome.
So I'm out here in Charleston, West Virginia. Get closer.
I'm trying to get the whole drip.
Oh!
Gotta get the shoe game. Trying to get the money socks.
12 seconds later.
We got coronavirus. Make sure you stay safe out there and wherever the hell you at, make sure you wear your mask because this coronavirus is not going yet, okay? Get over here! So that did drop the top. So right now you see I'm in neutral. So what you want to do is you basically want to hit this one to put you in gear. Of course, we put my foot on the brakes, god damn. So you hit this side, put you in gear. Now you're in first gear. Then you have the option to go into auto or to go into sport. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into auto so that way the car can drive itself. I just gotta enjoy it. And then of course, power brake, and you're good to go. Hit the gas a little bit. I know you guys hear that engine, that crazy engine. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this car, drive around in this Lambo. Let me go ahead and show y'all how I look. Yeah, I got my Corona mask on. Coronavirus! Chains out. The chains tucked out here. Live life, man. You gotta roll the dice. You know what I'm saying? But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Of course, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you smash that like button. Of course, make sure you drop a comment at the end of this video letting me know how you guys feel the Lamborghini looks, man. This shit is high class, top class, whatever you want to say. I feel rich as hell. All right, so on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this car. Y'all have a good one.
As a youngin', I was fooled into living the American dream, and I took my ass to school. I never finished cause they drug tested for every job, and I refused to be some bait to no crackers holding that fishing rod.